The health benefits of coconut. The name coconut is derived from seafarers during the 16th and 17th century for its resemblance to a head. Cocoa and coconut apparently came from 1521 encounters by Portuguese and Spanish explorers with Pacific Islanders, with the coconut shell reminding them of a ghost or witch in Portuguese folklore called Coco. It has generally been accepted that the coconut originated in India-Indonesia region and float distributed itself around the world by riding ocean currents. It is often stated that coconuts can travel 110 days of 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, by sea and still be able to germinate. What are the benefits of eating coconut? At a glance, the coconut flesh has a super high fiber content that acts like a probiotic. The good bacteria in the intestines and helps the digestive system to be regular. Fresh coconut juice is rich in electrolytes, it aids in hydration, providing minerals essential for bodily functions such as movements and brain function. The soft meat, or flesh, inside the coconut helps to restore oxidative tissue damage and contains a source of healthy fats, proteins, and various vitamins and minerals. It is rich in a medium-chain fatty acid that can actually help boost metabolism and in fat loss. What are the health benefits of coconut? Coconut are highly nutritious and rich in fiber, vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5 and B6 and minerals including iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. Unlike cow's milk, coconut milk is lactose-free so can be used as a milk.